Hello friends, this is Sunan Subramaniam here, Commodity Fundamental Analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and today I'll be talking about two major agriculture commodities. Among the agriculture commodities, the first commodity that I would like to touch upon is on mustard seed, and mustard seed, as you all know, has been trading very much bullish in the past couple of weeks. This is majorly due to steady demand for mustard seed oil due to crush demand from NAFED as well as from the domestic traders. Looking ahead, we are expecting that the crush demand for mustard seed oil to remain bullish and higher. This is majorly due to increased demand in the domestic market, especially due to supply tightness witnessed due to lower imports of vegetable oil such as palm oil and refined oil. Palm oil and refined oil has been imported lower during the lockdown phase, that is during the month of March to May months, which has created a supply tightness situation in the months of June and July. This has also led to the traders to shift to mustard seed oil, as mustard seed oil is considered to be a premium oil in the domestic markets. Furthermore, the mustard seed prices could also find support majorly due to higher basis, that is basically the difference between spot price and the future price. If you look at the spot price in Jaipur, the spot price is currently trading around rupees 4,950 levels, while the future prices, August futures, is trading around 4,750. Since their basis is approx 200 rupees, there is a good buying indication in the futures market, while the traders who are looking for hedging opportunities can sell in the spot markets. So overall, there is a good buying levels in the futures market, and traders can initiate a buy position at around 4,750 levels for the upside target of 5,050 levels, and keeping a stop loss at 4,600 levels. Another factor that can keep the prices supported is majorly due to lower production, which has eventually led to lower carry forward stocks. Since it's mustard seed is a rabi commodity, so no major sowing is going to happen at this point of time, and sowing is likely to take place in the month of October and November months only. So till then, the traders is likely to continue with the old carry forward stocks, and the supply tightness is likely to continue in the months ahead. Overall, I am expecting a bullish trend in NCDX mustard seed futures, and the prices can move up to 5050 levels in the coming week. The second commodity that I would like to touch upon is on guar seed, and guar seed has witnessed a good rally in the past 2 days, majorly due to positive economic data in the United States, which has improved the industrial demand and eventually increased the demand for guar gum in the global markets. Positive economic data in the United States was majorly witnessed in the service sector, manufacturing and non-manufacturing sector, which has led to increased demand for guar gum from India. Moreover, there has been reports of supply shortage. Supply chains has been disrupted due to a further lockdown situation in some of the states in India, which has eventually even disrupted the logistics as well as the buying activities in the rural sector. This has also led to worries about the Indian markets and global market situations, and eventually supported the prices. Moreover, the arrivals in the domestic markets has reduced once again, similar to the lockdown situation which we had earlier witnessed, and there is still some steady buying witnessed in the rural sector, which is also another factor that can keep the guar seed prices supported in the near future. The only factor that can cap major upside movement in guar seed futures is in case of higher sowing witness or extremely higher sowing witness in this season compared to the previous season. So far, the monsoon has been reported to be higher compared to the previous year, and by normal estimates by 10 to 12%, which is likely to increase the sowing pace of guar seed by 10 to 15% this year compared to the previous year, which is another factor that can cap major upside movement in guar seed futures in the coming week ahead. Overall, I am expecting a bullish trend in guar seed futures, and prices are likely to move up to 3,800 levels by the end of the next week. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.